where you're cutting before any seed stem formation, you are making your forage much more similar, not only between cuts, but within cuts. And that has a huge benefit in terms of feeding the dairy cow, because then when you are supplementing, you know you're supplementing something that is fairly consistent throughout that feed period from that clamp, even across clamps where you've got different cuts in different clamps. Because you're doing that more frequent cutting, it's more like grazing that grass. You know it's going to be similar. So all those other components of that ration you're putting in are going to be used more effectively. And your cows and the rumen's going to be in a more of a plateau, which is where we want it. All the time we want that consistent feed going in so that the rumen's working happy. It's not going through peaks and troughs in nutrition where the feed starts to get used inefficiently. And that means that your productivity, your milk yield is consistent, your productivity is consistent, more reliable, but actually because your feed nutrients are being used more effectively all the time, you're actually having more milk, less nitrogen coming out the back end, predominantly in urine, and potentially less methane. So all of those things are adding up for happier farmers, happier cows, and happier environment.